Welcome to Garden Talk. You know, we had planted our peppers. Well, they are ready to transplant. And this is the typical red, yellow, and orange pepper of the Southwest. So we're going to plant Mr. Ancina in here. And then around here, we're going to plant strawberries. Let's go. When transplanting, you want to get everything nice and wet. Don't want the roots to get dry. This is cocoa coir, so it's going to soak up a lot of this. So fast forward. Make sure we've got the right pepper this time. And make sure you take as much soil as you can with it of what's there, because like the biome is set and obviously healthy for what, not an earthquake, for what is growing. So you want to take as much of this. We're going to do that little squeeze. Yes, we had water, so that's good. Then you're going to turn it. Hopefully. Yep, we got it. Empty. Back there and in. A lot of water. I'm going to put some water in, and later on I'll put a little bit of our fertilizing mixer. Now we're going to scoop that over so we don't make a mess. And we're going to put dirt all around this in the tray here. Pack it down a little bit. And then we go back over here. So we're getting our strawberries from strawberries. This is seeds. I keep scraping the mic. Sorry if it makes noise. And we're going to scrape these off on here. Ooh, a chunk went off flying over there. But yeah, just put your seeds all the way around. You can plant this with the paper towel. You don't even have to take it off. So we'll take this little chunk of paper towel and put it right under that soil right there. And then I'll do it to a few more spots to make sure that I did get seeds in there. And you just fold it under. And these were just strawberries from the grocery store. I think I'm already back around to where I was. And that's that. Pepper up top. Strawberries will start growing around here. And it'll look nice. And they'll drape down on a shelf somewhere. Or a stand. And there we go. On a stand, the strawberries can grow around and drape over the edge. The peppers will grow up top. It's going to look beautiful. We don't have to look like crap while we're resisting. We can grow our own food and have it look nice at the same time. Thanks for growing with me.